What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Fit Man Cook Kitchen. Today's video is a lot of fun because we are doing a meal prep video. Now, whether you are vegan, vegetarian, or just someone who likes to be adventurous and try out some new stuff from time to time, this video is for you because the food is delicious and nourishing and completely plant-based. Wait, don't turn off, because let me just tell you right now, plant-based food is amazing. I have received so many stories from all of you from across the world about how you are introducing a lot more plant-based recipes into your own diet. In fact, if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, then you know that recently I convinced my dad to finally go vegan just to clear up a lot of his health issues. And in just 4 months, guys, he's lost close to 40 pounds. He's looking great and feeling wonderful. So what more convincing do you need? Oh yeah, and no worries. I've actually met some vegan bodybuilders and they can assure you that you will not lose all your hard-earned muscle on a plant-based diet. Just like last time, guys, I'm going to be making this meal plan available on fitmancook.com, but also making it completely customizable for you in the Meal Prep Pro app. All right, if you are ready to roll up your sleeves for some delicious plant food, then let's get started. First up, we're making a creamy, high-protein apple pie smoothie. First, chop up an apple, then add it to a blender, along with coconut yogurt, almond milk, chia seeds, rolled oats, your choice of vegan protein powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little stevia if you want it sweeter. Blend it up until smooth. Place all the dry ingredients in plastic or paper bags to get ready for the week, and cut the apple fresh each morning. Next, we're making a spicy peanut butter tempeh with brown rice and delicious purple cabbage slaw. First, let's make the sauce. You're gonna add peanut butter, soy sauce, coconut sugar, chili garlic sauce, rice vinegar, ginger, garlic, and a little hot water. Mix it up and set it aside. Cut up the tempeh into small pieces, then add them to a bowl. Pour in the sauce, mix it all together, and marinate for 2 to 3 hours or overnight in the fridge. Place the pieces on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spray them with a little olive oil, then bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 375. Now while they're baking, prep the rice, then the slaw. To purple cabbage, add agave, sesame oil, and fresh lime. Mix it up, then bring it all together. First the brown rice, then the cabbage slaw, that tasty tempeh. Drizzle on the leftover sauce, and garnish with green onion and fresh lime. Next up, we're making a high-protein vegan snack pot that even Popeye would love. To a jar or container, you're gonna add thawed edamame, some thawed peas, some sesame seeds, and a splash of soy sauce. Top it all off with some red chili garlic sauce and fresh cilantro. And for dinner, we are going to Italia. Okay, it was too much, wasn't it? All right, guys, we're making some Italian veggie meatballs and whole wheat spaghetti. Check it out. To milled flaxseed, we're gonna pour in some water, mix it up, and set it aside. Then, place some kidney beans in a food processor and pulse blend until smooth. Add the beans to a bowl, then toss in veggie ground, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, flaxseed mix, wheat breadcrumbs, and a pinch of fresh parsley. Mix it all together. Spray your hands with a little olive oil, then form golf ball-sized veggie meatballs. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and allow them to set in the freezer or fridge for 20 minutes. Then, bake them in the oven for 20 minutes at 400. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then add wheat pasta and cook it through. Spray it with a little olive oil to prevent sticking. Heat up some marinara in a skillet, then bring it all together. Add pasta, your veggie meatballs, and hot marinara. Garnish with fresh parsley. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and I hope that you are ready just to dive into some delicious plant-based recipes. Mine are ready to go right here, as you can see. Now if you like this video, I want you to smash that like button below and also comment below your favorite recipe from this video. Also, you can get this entire prep from fitmancook.com and then customize it for your macros in the Meal Prep Pro app. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. As always, I want y'all to keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Boom! Long live the plants.